guys, si Lily, taga-ato niyang necklace nga, traditional necklace, kasi. So, what are you doing? Mo na ilang traditional necklace. I can wear it in the office. Okay. So, it's like in Buddha. Like Buddha, no? Golden Buddha. I will wear it with that or no, it should be above now. It should be above. Okay. It's Cassie. I'm now Cassie. So guys, if you want this necklace, this is 60 rupees. Maybe 40 pesos. You just order. You can order from me and I can bring it to the Philippines. Okay. Of course, nanay tubo, no? 50%, 100% katubo. Charet.